Yo,
Yo. It wouldn't let me stream on my other account, but it'll let me stream on my main account, so I'm streaming it on my main account.
oh my god, beautiful. I'm running 3 devices. I'm about to watch your stream on here. My video is only at 2% export. This is gonna take hours, but it's worth it. And then I've got my school computer open because I'm gonna do the homework.
Okay. Alright, bye.
But
Alright, hello people. Hello people. We're actually gonna do some algebra. Not algebra. Algebra. Or no, it's that. It's the little weeble. And this is Streamlabs OBS, by the way. This is what I use. This is what I use. People ask me what I use. This is what I use. Alright, here we go. Let's do some math homework. Here we go. Alright, feel free to call in and give me the answers. Feel free. Yo, he's here. Feel free to call in, give me answers. That's literally about what this stream is. Call in, give Reese answers. Okay, here we go. The slope of the line is -3 and the y-intercept is 5. Boom, there's your equation. Copy that down if you need to. The slope of this line is -2/3 and 1 point of this line is -9 and 2. So, here's what I generally do. Don't look at my search history. Uh, graph. I type in graph. I go to images. Okay, we go and we find a freaking huge graph. We find a huge freaking graph. You know what? You know what? You know what? Here we go. Graph. Here we go. Here's a graph. Here's what a graph is. Nope, not that. That we don't want that. Make your own graphs. Here we go. This is not what I want. We're just gonna try and find a graph. Graph paper website. Virtual online graph paper. Here we go. This is absolutely not useful. You know what? We'll be fine. We'll be fine. Okay. What are people in chat saying? What are people in chat? Should I also do streams? Yes, start out making content. Earn a shout out. I have content, just not posted it. Made it with this big graph. I just hired him. Yeah, I was there for the business meeting. Nice. Yeah, Lamau. Does anyone have a huge graph I can edit? Anyone? Anyone? I need a big freaking graph. Yeah, this is my writing. Don't judge it. I can't use this graph. That graph is too small. Wait, no, it's not. Graph. Boom. That. That, not gonna work. That one, also not gonna work. Also not gonna work. That one works. We want to save image. Fine, we're gonna save this image. Save the image. Fine, whatever. You know what? It's whatever. It's whatever. What did I say? Open that. Open it. Open it. Quick, quick. Okay, we're gonna draw on this. Okay. So a point is -9, 2. Okay. -9. No, wait. Wait, is Reese dumb? No, it's x then y. Yes. -9, 2. That is a point. We know that for a fact. That is a point right there. Okay? And so if this is that, okay. Yep. I'm doing this completely wrong. Here we go. Let's just do this. Let's just do math. Let's just do math. Here we go. Here we go. We're gonna do math. So 2 equals negative 2 over 3. No, yes. Yes, okay, there we go. Negative 2 over 3. The times function, symbol thingamabobber thing. Times x, which is negative 9. Plus, and then we need b. That's what we need to find. We need to find b. Okay, if we can find b, we solve the equation. So we're going to use drawing here. We're going to, who uses 1? We use 0.5 here. So we need to bring up, close the graph tab. Calculator. Negative. Let me go here. No. No. What? Heh. So it's negative 2 over 3. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm stupid. I'm stupid. You homie? Stupid. Yeah. Okay, so what's negative 2/3 of negative 9? That would be 6, right? So 2 equals 6 plus b. Wait, someone said something. Who said it? Okay. So we add plus negative 6 to both sides, and that gives us negative 4 equals b. Okay. So b equals negative 4. So this answer is negative 4 right there. Okay. Does everyone in chat got that? Everyone in chat got that. Does everyone have this answer? Does everyone in the Zoom have the answer? Negative 4 is correct. Can you yes, I know it's correct. I'm the teacher here, stupid. Does everyone have the correct answer on the board? That's written on the board. That's written on that board. That board right there. Does everyone have that answer? Everyone? I'm gonna say yeah. Yes, I'm your new Zoom teacher. My name's Mr. Bugum. Yeah, you're gonna have to learn to pronounce that and spell it at the same time. Yep, okay. Yep, back to the math. Okay. So 1 point on this line we know is 5/13. And the y-intercept is 8. We know this. So y has to equal the slope, which we don't know, times x plus 8, because we know that's the y-intercept. So we just have to figure out m. Can I help you, sir?
Yo, you got the answer wrong. It's y equals negative 2/3 plus negative 4.
No.
You gotta write an equation too.
No, it's y equals negative 2/3 times x plus negative 4.
Oh, I forgot the x. Shut up.
And I wrote the equation.
Let me make sure.
Don't interrupt me in my class again. Now that he's gone. So class, can anyone tell me how we find m? Anyone tell me how we find m? I'm gonna wait for an answer. Can anyone yell out the answer? Just anyone. Blazing Ember 07. Tell me how we find M. Delta Y over delta X. Good job, Grace. Good job. Oh, okay. Sorry, guys. Hands down. Okay, here we go. So we do delta Y over delta X. There we go. So we want change in Y over the change in X. Okay? But how do we find... Okay, so we know one point is 513, correct? But we also know another point if you're smart about it. Because the y-intercept is just when x is 0. So the y-intercept of 8 would be 0, 8. So we can figure out what m is with that alone. This makes absolutely no sense. I'm doing totally different things than you. Shut up. Okay, here we go. Back to the thing. Okay. Delta y over delta x. So it's... No, wait. That's x. Sorry. Mr. Booger might be stupid. So 13 minus 8 over 5 minus 0, which equals 5 over 0, which also equals 0 if you're not stupid. So our m is 0. So this would change the equation to be y equals 0 times x plus 8. So that would mean y, or you could simplify this as y equals x plus 8. Sorry, I had a brain malfunction. Five minus 0. Yep. So, yep. Yeah, you're the stupid ones here, class. You're the stupid ones. I swear. What zero? No one saw a zero. No one did. No one. I swear. Except for you, Tommy. You're failing my class. You're failing my class. So that would be 1 times x plus 8, or simplified, y equals x plus 8. There you go. Yeah, there you go. Tommy's failing my class, so I'm not a bad teacher. You guys are pretty bad students. Okay, we're gonna take a bathroom break. Does anyone need to use the bathroom? If anyone needs to use the bathroom, I want you to raise your hand in chat now. I'm gonna wait for the stream delay to catch up. Gonna wait for stream delay to catch up. Blaze has to use the bathroom. Okay. So Blaze, here's what we're gonna do. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna ban you from the chat. Get out of all three of you. Get out of my live stream. Get out of my live stream. Please don't actually get out of my live stream. I would have no viewers, and I'm sure you love my class. I'm popping my knuckles now. Knuckle popping time. ASMR. Okay. Back to math. So 2 points on our line are -10 and -4. Or no, -10, -4, and 22. Not 22, 22. You see? Yep, yep. Don't ask. I just smoked 70 packs in a millisecond. Don't question it. Alright, anyway, yeah, I actually had surgery too, so now there's a hole in my throat, and if I don't cover it up, I can't talk. So yeah, I'm just gonna be covering up this hole for the next 76 minutes. Okay, no one has a question? Cool. Okay, back to math. So we're gonna find B. Don't question that. I just put skin over it. Y equals. Oh wait, we don't know slope yet. We don't know slope. We need slope first. Yes. So we're gonna 2 minus negative 2 minus -4. No, not 4 minus -4. Which turns into 2 plus +4. Over. No, I want this whole thing to be over. 2 over up plus 4. Yep. And 20 plus 10. There we go. We got this. This is hurting my voice tremendously. Which equals 6 over 30. And if you're not stupid, which some of you are, tell me. Yeah, that equals. Yeah. Oh my god, I'm actually losing my voice. 1/5. It equals 1/5. There we go. So our slope is 1/5. So the equation we're going to start off with y equals 1/5 times x, and then we need plus, and we need to find out b. Here we go. So 2 equals 1/5 times 20 plus b. And so 2 equals, nope, 4 plus b. So we need to add plus -4 to both sides. So that gives us -2 equals b. Here we go. So the full equation would be y equals 1/5 times x plus -2. Any questions, chat? Yes, she did all of this. Like the ASMR chat. Yo, chat, I'm me creepy uncle. Me creepy uncle at the barbecue. Hey, sweetie, you want a pork sausage? You want a pork sausage? That's what I thought. You want a pork sausage? Yeah, I made them at home. I made them myself. You sure you don't want no brisket? Brisket. I made it at home myself. What am I doing? Okay. Who is texting me? Stop giving. Oh my god. Please quit giving me notifications, people. Okay, here we go. Back to math. Oh shoot, I forgot we had graphs to do today. Oh my goodness, that wasn't on my lesson plan. Okay, so this line does not have a y-intercept, so we know this line is vertical. We know this line is vertical because straight lines, pretend this is straight. Oh wait, hold up. Do that. Because we know straight lines do not cross over parallel straight lines. And the y-intercept is also a parallel straight line to that axis. These are parallel, or pretend they are, anyway. These two are parallel lines, alright? And they're vertical, so they will not have a y-intercept. So that's how we know they are vertical. So, the best we can do is y, no, we need a capital Y. Y equals, this doesn't have the slope because y equals, wait, no, we're just gonna use text box for this, so it's gonna be better. Small text box, give me smaller text box. Y equals undefined and x equals -4. You know this for a fact. Or if you want to write in math terms, x equals -4. If you want to be fancy, I guess. I would not like brisket. Okay. Yeah, don't judge my handwriting. People with messier handwriting tend to have a smarter IQ. That's a true fact. And the slope of this line is 0, and one point on this line is 2, 7. Okay? So we know this line, since it doesn't have a slope, it's not vertical because vertical lines don't have a y-intercept, but we know it is horizontal instead. So instead of just putting y equals undefined and x equals whatever, we actually have to write this in scientific notation. So what we're gonna do is hold on. So there's no slope, so it would be y equals 0 times x plus 7. There we go. That's the y. X times 0 plus 7, basically. So basically, we can simplify that to y equals 7. 100%. We can say that because that's 0 always, because anything times 0 is 0. Plus 7, 0 plus 7, that is always going to be 7. Y is going to equal 7, no matter what you do. Here we go. I'm gonna erase that and redraw that box because that is one sloppy box. There we go. The x-intercept of this line is -3, and the y-intercept is -6. I'm gonna read chat here for just a second. His handwriting is bothering me. Has that been proven? Yes, it has been. Let's just say yes. I'm going to send this to Mrs. McPherson. Are you aware that your SMP stream isn't up? I am aware of that, yes. Please don't send this to Mrs. McPherson. This is for fun. I will be actually genuinely surprised if she watches this, which she won't. Because I'm making this private afterwards. Okay. So, what the saying is, that equals -3, 0. That equals 0, -6, because the x and y intercepts are that, you know? First, we need to find m. So, m equals, I just like putting my delta signs before I put x and y, so that's what I do. Y equals 6, or no, -6 minus 0, which equals -6, over 0 minus -3, which equals plus +3. So this equals -6 thirds, or -2. The slope is -2. So y, so here we go. What we're going to do is we're going to use the x-intercept point for this. So, no, wait, we're going to use the y-intercept, sorry. -6 equals -2 times 0 plus b. Find out b. Well, -6 equals 0 plus b. So, b equals -6. So the whole equation is y equals -2 times x plus -6. Any questions? True, he does need it for his homework. I might be posting more Mr. Booga on the other account. Mr. Booga. Alright, she did number 8 as a freebie in class, so I hope you all have that. And I'm gonna hope this is supposed to be finding the slope, which I'm gonna assume it is. The only logical reason. That's the only logical thing I can come up with. We're going to use these 2 points because we know they're both crossing at a middle point, so we know they're, like, definitely just very even, like, a whole number. That's what I'm trying to say. So, m equals rise over run. So, the rise is 1, 2, 3, 3 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 over 4, which is the same. So, this, nope. No, wait, we're gonna do y equals mx plus b. I'm assuming that's what it is, sorry. So, so, 8 equals plus b. This is to find b. I'm sorry, my b. No, I don't care about your security mail. Okay. I'm sorry, my b's and my 6's look very similar. I've always written them this way. So 3/4 6 is what? Someone tell me. What's 3/4 6? Oh. Did my thing crash? Okay, here we go. It didn't crash. Reese was being a stupid. Sorry. You have no idea what 3/4 6 is. Wow, you've really not been paying attention in my class. That sucks for you. Alright, I guess we're pulling out a calculator, you guys. So, 3 divided by 4 times 6 equals 4.5. There we go. So, 8 equals 4.5 plus b. So if we add plus negative 4.5 to both sides, we get 3.5 equals b. So we can say with, like, confidence, y equals 3 fourths times x plus 3.5. All right. Okay. Before we go on to the other graphs, does anyone need me to go back to any problems? I will be gladly happy to go back to another problem. Just tell me the number you need me to go back to, and I will gladly do it. Go back to number 9. Okay, so just open the freaking document. Okay, there you go. There you go, buddy. It's all that. It's all that right there. There you go. That's your number 9. That's your number 9. Document. Okay, there you go. There you go, buddy. It's all that. It's all that right there. There you go. That's your number 9. That's your number 9. Okay. So Grace says she needs number 1. She says it's too difficult. So we're gonna scroll up. Hopefully you had enough time. You should have. Okay. Yeah. So Grace doesn't pay attention in my class at all, as we see. Do you even know how to do this? Because it gives you the slope and the y-intercept, so you just have to take it and write it in that form. Y equals negative 3 times x plus 5. That is so simple. Idiot. Here we go. Time for the graphs. I don't give a crap about your feelings. I'm Mr. Boogie Doll. Yeah, you heard me. That's my name. Okay, yep. Sorry, I'm reading chat from my phone. Here we go. Y equals negative 3/4 x plus 2. Alright, we can pick a point on the line. We can pick a point on x. So we're going to say our x is going to be 1. Y equals, or no, let's go 4. Let's go for 4. Okay? Y equals 3/4 or negative 3/4 times 4 plus 2. 2. There we go. So we're going to take that. Hold up. Take that. Move it up here. There we go. Okay. So y is equal to negative 3 plus 2. Y equals negative 1. So 1 is negative 1. 1, negative 1. There you go. Or no, 4, negative 1. Sorry. Dumb. 4 is negative 1, not 1. 1 is not negative 1. 4 is negative 1. I'm sorry, I forgot we had changed it from 1 to 4. Here we go. So then we're gonna use another one. We're gonna use 2. We're gonna use 2. Okay. Oh, that is way too thick. That's what she said. Y equals 3/4 times 2. Wait. No, wait, we already know a point. Reese is, Mr. Bueller is dumb. Sorry, we already know a point. We know that 2 is 0, because it's the y-intercept. There we go. So from here, we can take our line tool and just kind of go through it. There we go. And now that it's there, we can take our select tool. Select it, and we can just extend this bad boy. There we go. There's our extended line. Do not forget to add your little arrows on the end, because that's what you do, apparently. I'm the best substitute teacher. I'm the best substitute teacher. Am I not? Am I not the best substitute teacher? So, this is written in not slope intercept form. This is written just x equals 5. So, because x equals 5, we can go over to the x line, and we can go ahead and assume that this is a vertical line. Because no one in their right mind would just have x equal 5 and expect you to find the y. Because they don't give you nothing. They just give you x equals 5, so we're going to assume it's vertical. It's just vertical. And even if it's not, your teacher's wrong. Yeah, that's right, I'm calling out you teachers. I'm calling out you teachers. What are you going to do about it? You're the best, Mr. Booger. You are the best. We all love you. Thank you. Thank you. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. I learned from the worst. Y equals 3 times x. Okay? So if we pick, let's say we pick 1 as our point. Y equals 3 times 1. So 1s would be 1, 3. There we go. That's your point right there. And then if we do y equals 3 times, I don't know, 2. It's 6. It's 6. There you go. Y equals 6 for 2. There you go. And then you just gotta add your little line doohickey thingamabob. There you go. There's your line. There it is. There's the thing. There's the thing you need to get points. You like how I've used a different thing to draw these arrows every single time? First time I used drawing feature. Second time I used the triangle feature. This time I'm using the line feature. Next time I'm gonna use circles. Just kidding. I'm just kidding. Kids, I don't know how to do number 13. I do not know how to do number 13. Can you guys explain this to me? I don't know how to do I'm not that good of a teacher. I don't know how to do do number 13. Kids, I don't know how to do number. I don't know how to do number 13. You can do it. Mr. Bug cannot do everything. Mr. Bug cannot do everything. So Mr. Bug kind of has to go to a little thing called photo math and do some little snap picture type stuff. See if that even helps. Here we go. Photo math did not help. Photo math did not help. I'm gonna tell you guys right now. I ate a drumstick earlier, not chicken, like ice cream. Okay, like I didn't do anything. I just ate an ice cream earlier. Like I'm not a math teacher. I don't know what I'm doing with my life. Substitute teacher at age 68. Lost my job. Hit a rough patch once. Had to strip. No one wanted me because I was like 53. No one wanted a 53-year-old man to strip on them. They were like, "What are you doing? This is Central Park. Get out of my face." I don't know what to do anymore. What am I doing with my life? Can't solve an 8th grade kid's problem in algebra. I'll give you free Lunchables, Mr. Bagoo. Oh, thank you, kids, but I'm just gonna go kill myself later. You know what? I'm 68, lived a good life. Probably gonna go eat another drumstick, but the chicken this time, not the, not the ice cream. All right, here we go. Let's try it. Let's try it. Let's go. Let's do this. All right. X plus y equals -3. So we have to rewrite this into y equals mx plus b. Or no, we just have to rewrite this in general. So if we add a negative, can we add negative x's, kids? Can we do that? Can we add negative x's? Can we do that? Kids, can we do that? Can we I'm waiting for an answer from the chat. I'm tired. Yep, you get no math. You just get Mr. Bagua today. Just just his cabinets. You just get to see his cabinets. And his eyes for some reason. And then he shrinks it away and you see he looks like a madman with nothing to do in his life and he just shrinks away. For real though, can we add I am. I'm like. No. Mr. Bugug can do everything. Can I do everything your sister can do? So y e oh, that's a big equals. The really long equals. Y equals negative x plus negative 3. So it's negative. You know what? We're gonna take this. To commit die? Yes. Yes, I do. I'm so poor, I can't even afford this, a rope. Swing. Can't even afford a swing. Mr. Bugila is trying his best, okay? Okay, so we're gonna pick a point on X. We're gonna pick 1. We're gonna pick 1, okay? So, oh, no, wait. No, wait. Y equals negative 1 times X plus negative 3. He wrote it in slope-intercept form. I did it. So, y equals negative 1 times, we're going to say 1 plus negative 3. So, y equals negative 1 plus negative 3. So, y is equal to negative 4. And we know we know the y-intercept is negative 3, or we can assume that anyhow. We can assume that it's negative 3, and we're just gonna say it is. You know what? Because I know I'm right, and your mom. Yes, I just used your mom as a valid argument. Now, are you kids ready to see me use circles as arrows? Are you kids ready to see me use circles as arrows? I need some hype in the chat for me using circles as arrows. Give me some hype. Give me some hype, boys. Give me some hype. Yes. Let's get it. We're gonna use circles as arrows. Circles as arrows. Let's go. We're gonna do this. I'm so confident in myself right now. Watch this. Boom. Okay. We're gonna do that. And then we're gonna do that. And then we're gonna come over here. We're gonna choose white. We're gonna do that. We're gonna go across like that. Okay. Ooh, no. Shoot. Okay, we're gonna go to drawing. And then we're gonna choose white. Right here. We're gonna choose. We're gonna just choose one thickness. You know what? That's fine. One thickness will do. was a very delicate process. A very delicate process. Okay, we go to the select tool, and we take that. You know what, Mr. Begier is just gonna go through that. Mr. Begier is gonna. You know what? Shapes? What even are they at this point? What even are shapes? Like, how can you how can you tell me that that is not a a circle? How can you tell me that's not a circle? How can you? How can you tell me that's not a circle? You can't. You can't tell me that's not a circle. Prove to me right now that that's not a circle. Mr. Begier could not use circles as arrows. You know what? No. No. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. Mm. Mr. Begier is so determined to use circles as arrows. There we go. There's one. The one in place. Leave the other. I'm so determined right now. There you go. Perfect placement. Perfect placement. There we go. That works. That's an arrow, chat. Chat, that's an arrow if I've ever seen one. Kids, this just proves to you you can do anything if you set your mind to it. You can figure out how to do a child's math problem. You can figure out how to use circles as arrows. And you can sure as hell figure out how to do algebra. There we go. Very clearly an arrow. Yes, 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 yes. That's not a circle because circles. That's an arrow. Very clearly an arrow. Yes, very clearly an arrow. All right, kids, before today's lesson is over, I need to know if anyone needs me to go back to any singular problem and let me and have me explain it to them or go through it again. No one? No? No? No problems yet? Yet? Maybe stream delay is a thing. I need 1 through 15. There's only 13 problems, bud. Yes, that is the most important thing you have learned from today. How to make circles into arrows. I said I was gonna do it, and I did do it. So, I guess that's take from that what you will. Sorry, 1 through 11. There's only 13 problems. Yeah. All right. Thank you, class. Thank you, class. I will be doing. I'm a substitute teacher, so I can teach any subject. Any subject. So, so if so I'm probably gonna be posting. No, I'm not gonna be posting this to school rules because. So I'm probably gonna be uploading more homework lessons. Uh, if anyone needs it, I will be glad to do more homework lessons. Um, and so without a further ado, hold on. I have to do something for the end of this stream. It's gonna be funny. It's gonna be funny. And without a. And finally, with that concluding today, class dismissed. Thank you.